Agree. I have so many emeralds.
They ask.
3,
What is its
2,
nature?
1, go.
Why don't they ask?
I have emeralds from last season too, I'm pretty sure.
You ask a question of pure potential. Death is intrinsic to the answer.
Is the darkness here? Has it arrived?
I think it arrived in Shadowkeep, didn't it?
Oh.
That was the whole point of, like, we lost
Shadowkeep
the
or this season? Last few seasons ago. Was it Shadowkeep? I don't. Was it called Shadow? It's not called Shadowkeep.
the online.
Shadowkeep was, yeah. Drop those novas. Runnable?
Yeah, of course. I might have been a
As
low.
you wish.
Might have been a low 51 or a low high 50. It was close.
Bottom left. I was gonna say, imagine if it was bottom right again.
Nice. Alas.
You get Toland.
Poland.
Middle?
No.
Top right.
No. Top left.
Top left.
Top left. Shit.
It's a bit sage, but let's just run it. Get the practice for cube.
I know, we can keep going. You get Toland.
Poland.
Bottom.
I'm gonna pull. Make sure you don't ram me.
Oh, both of you just go. Go in together.
Yep. Top, dark. I'm gonna get the left one.
Oh, heavy.
Alright, I'm not gonna use Black Talon. You guys have to get both. Middle. Nice.
Nice.
I needed that heavy brick, man.
Light. Yes, I got heavy.
Have a rift.
I'm gonna get right from boss.
Dark.
Dark. Does it fall? No. But I was on the wrong side. That was the throw I threw. Alright, I'm gonna get behind boss.
Got one.
Got 2. There was 6 knights.
Light. Get the one on me, please.
Another rift, please. Find my deposit. It's already there.
This is deposit right here, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I knew that. I was just getting the other one. I'm gonna get on boss.
Oh my god.
Shit. L.
Fine, just keep running. It's not the end of the world.
Yeah, isn't it boss now? Yeah. Light.
Okay, one.
I don't have any heavy ammo, so... Oh, I got a brick. We're so lucky. Alright.
So you do have ammo?
Yeah, I'm good.
Fuck.
Just jump over. Remember, just wait until you see us spawn in. We have a few seconds we can't move. You have plenty of time.
No, I can't get my phyla. There we go. What's good downstairs? What's the time?
Pace note, we were 20 seconds behind them exiting cube.
Shit.
That's fine. I think this, if we can get
No, that's because we lost the
we can
Misted
get a-
Knights and
if we
had
can
a
get
bad
sub-
Wasteland.
If we can finish this with a sub 8, let's finish this boss off. Let's try and get the sub 8. Let's aim for the sub 8. And then next time we do this, it's just shave off another 20 seconds or so. And then we can easily, I say easily, we can get that. And that's record. But I think let's try and focus on this one. Focus on this run, get the sub 8. Put something
Yeah, for sure.
Put a better run on the
Yeah,
leaderboards.
get ready to join.
Yep, I'm ready.
And join now.
What checkpoint are you hitting when we join? Are you going on boss or you're after tube? Because you should say join like when you're
before the
sparrowing
thrall.
up the stairs and about to go into
Yeah,
thrall.
right before thrall, I say join.
Yeah, yeah.
Drop. Payu, be ready to pick that up? There you go.
I got it.
Rolling test is behind. Crew, make a note in forward middle, please.
Yeah, yeah.
Triple
Two
darks,
darks.
one light, one light.
Dark.
You main orb.
Yeah.
2 dark, 1 light, understood.
Shit.
Just busy yourself.
Damn it, dude. That thing was pretty close.
Keep running it.
Sad. It was the War Mind Self though.
Warm myself up.
Yeah.
This is maybe sub 8. Like within seconds.
The 9 were
802.
utilizing both light
Alright, whatever.
By the way, whatever. By the way, whatever time your kill is on, just add 11 seconds.
Noted. Alright. I'll